Wix Online Scheduling Software tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can start a booking site on Wix. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is log on to your Wix account. You can sign up using your email or your Facebook or even your Google account. So you're just going to sign up for Wix and then you're going to be greeted with this basic dashboard. Now, on your basic dashboard, you're going to find on the top left, you have your My Site section where you can explore all of the sites that you have created. Then you have a Explore section, a Help section, and then a Hire a Professional section. Now, to get started with creating your own booking site, I'm just going to click on Create New Site over here, and this is going to open up a new tab where I am going to select what kind of site that I am looking to create. So I am just going to say that I am doing a booking site if this is an option. So this is a music booking agent, and I'm just gonna, or not even a music booking agent. I want it to be a bit more sleek, so I'm just gonna go with booking agency, and I'm going to click on next over here. Now, after that, there are two routes you can go with on Wix. You can either let the Wix ADI create a website for you or create a website with the Wix template editor. So you can choose the ADI if you want to keep things simple and design the rest of your website yourself and then just enter your booking forms, or you can use a template. I would suggest go with a template because that gives you a lot more ideas for the kind of website that you can create for your business or for your agency. Now, just scroll down and see all of the different templates that are available on Wix. There is quite a variety on Wix, so you can choose whatever you want. Let's say if we are running a fashion blog, or let's say if we're running a cooking blog, and then we can have a booking section for appointments or for special training or anything like that. So just browse the templates and pick one that fits your needs the best. If you don't want to start off with a template, you can click on blank templates over here. And on the blank templates, you can see there is a minimal layout, a classic layout, a strip header layout, or a gallery layout. So you can check out any of these layouts as well, or you can even start from scratch. So for this video, to keep things simple and focus on the actual aspect of bookings, I'm going to start from scratch and just show you guys what are the basics you need to do on Wix to create your booking website. So I'm just opening up the Wix website editor. Now you can see over here, this is my basic looking Wix website editor, and this is just adding some basic features to the website. Now, once all of these basic features have been added, so after you have opened up your basic canvas for your Wix website, you're going to start by designing your header, and you can just click on Change Header Design over here and start editing all of your basic design elements. Now, I have a detailed video on how you can make your Wix website and how you can design your website with the ADI and the template and a basic canvas. So for this video, I'm going to rush through some of these things like designing your headers or adding logos or anything like that, because all of this is not really related to the actual thing we're looking to focus on today, which is how do you create your booking section. So what you're going to do to start your booking section is that I'm going to enter my booking section right below the first basic header. So you can see this is my header, and if I just add a text block for the website name, so I'm just going to add a text over here that's going to say the website name. I'm going to change it to bookings. Let's change it to best bookings, and I'm just going to resize this and move it over here. So I'm just going to drag this over here, and I'm going to resize my text like so, and I'm going to attach this to the header like this. And now after that, I'm just going to click on over here into the Add App section on Wix. Once I click over here, this is going to open up the Wix app market, and what you're going to do is you're going to search in apps for bookings and just add Wix bookings to your integrated app. So you're just going to click on Wix bookings over here, and you are going to add this to your website. So you're just going to click on add to site. And you can see that once you click on add to site, this is the little section that is going to be added to your website. Now, you might be wondering, okay, this is a very simple and basic little layout. How do I actually add my own services and add my own bookings? Well, you're just going to click on manage services over here. And now you can go on to the Wix website editor. That is something I would suggest. Instead of just working on the Wix website editor to edit all of your bookings, I would suggest that you first off publish your website, make it private, and then start editing all of your layouts over here. So if you just click on settings over here, you can see you're going to pop up a book online section. Now on your book online section, you can manage all of these services. First off, you're going to click on add your first service. And now you're just going to open up the basic Wix dashboard to add and remove your services. So I'm going to go with the easier route, and I'm just going to close this tab up and publish my site, and then I'm going to show you the easy way to edit these services without having to keep the Wix website editor open if you're done with your website design. So you're just going to click on publish over here. And now once your website has been published, you're going to go back onto your basic Wix dashboard, and you are going to take a look at all of your websites. Now, once this website has been published, you're going to be able to view it on your dashboard over here. So you can see I have my website right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on select and edit site. And this is going to open up your dashboard for your website. Now, once you have your dashboard open, you can just click on your booking services section on the left over here and start setting up all of your services for your bookings. Now, you have a booking calendar as well, where you can view your calendar and staff. Now, you can set up one-on-one private consultations or online coaching, or then you can also do multiple participations as well. So you can just click on any one of the services that you might be offering if it is a class or a course. So let's say this is a course, and then you're going to add the details for your services over here. So we're going to wait for this to load up, and now you're going to name your service. So let's just say we are doing Spanish class or Spanish course. And then you're going to add any service description. You can add a couple of images. Below that, you have your service type. So whether it is a appointment service, if it is a class, if it is a course, then you have your service details. So how many maximum participants can actually book you for the service? Let's just say up to 8 people can participate. And then you can see if this is going to be a fixed price item or service, or if it's going to be a custom price, or if it's going to be a no fee service. Now, for custom price, you can describe how you charge for this kind of service. Let's say if you're doing a Spanish guide with 5 classes, people are going to be charged $8, but people that sign up for 10 classes are going to be charged $7 per class. So you can offer these kinds of deals with the custom pricing. Now, I'm just going to go with fixed pricing for 12. And then you can add online payment systems to your Wix website over here. And you can choose to remove this as well if you want. You can add a physical location. Once you do that, you're just going to click on save. And then you're going to have your service added to your Wix website. Now, this is how easy it is to start your own booking on your own Wix website. Now, once you have started your booking, you can go onto your booking calendar and view all of your details for your services and the staff that might be working with you, the overall work schedule that you're going to have. You can forecast and see it all on the booking calendar here, and you can view it in a daily or weekly fashion. After you have added all of your services, you're going to be able to monitor them directly from your booking calendar. And after your booking services section is completed, you're going to go back onto your actual website. So you're just going to click on home over here. You're going to view your website and just take a look at how your services are looking, and then you can open up your Wix website editor once more to edit the overall look of the booking details. So you can see over here that my website hasn't been updated, so I'm just going to wait for this to update. And what I'm going to do is, so I'm just going to refresh my editor, and then I am going to see my Wix booking website. And now you can see over here that our services have been added to our Wix website. Now, if you don't like the overall layout of your services, you can just click over here and click on Manage Services, and you can change some of the basic website look of your services. And you're going to do that from the website editor, but you can just edit the services directly from your dashboard. And this is how easy it is to create your services. Now you can add special coupons to your booking services section as well. And this is going to open up from the Manage Services sections over here. And if you just click on more actions, you can create coupons, you can get booked on Google, you can accept online payments, and you can update some of your booking settings as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to do your own bookings from your Wix website. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.